Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my website. Welcome here, welcome. And I'm so proud of you for making it this far. This is Coach Mirani, and I know you saw me somewhere. I don't know if it's Facebook or YouTube or Instagram because I'm advertising. I'm spreading the word all over the place. I'm all over social media to let you know, guys, there is another way. It doesn't matter you are a nurse or a teacher or engineer or realtor, any type of profession, wherever you come from, welcome. Because I know we all struggling for that time freedom. We all were educated to work for a corporate. We all were educated to have this 9 to 5 job, paycheck to paycheck. But this is not with the internet right now. There is another way. There is another way. I don't ask no one to quit their job, but you still need something in the side because you never know when they're going to fire you. You never know when they're going to say, we don't need you here anymore. Okay? And also, it's time to start building a legacy for your kids, for your family. And this is the place to be if you want to do anything big in your life. This is the place to be, because before this business system I didn't know nothing else. I never knew people can make money from home. You can just grab a laptop. They already set up your business in the laptop for you. I didn't know your laptop could have been your portable office. Now with the internet, that's what it is. And when I finally discovered that freedom, that reality, I said there is no way I can go back to the same old thing I used to do. It will never give me any good result. I cannot complain really about my nursing job because I've been a registered nurse for 28 years. And this is a rewarding job. This is not everyone have the opportunity to become a nurse, but to become a professional. This is a rewarding job, but I can tell you guys, I was joining. I never saw my kids growing up. My mom hopefully was there for my kids, but with this business system right now, and it's been out there for 15 years, 50 years, 50 years, you don't have to work for no one anymore. Now it's a choice. The choice is yours. You want to work for someone to enrich them? Yes, you can do that. But if you can be your own boss, so with this internet right now, with this business system. So end of talking about me. Now it's time. It's your time to discover for yourself what I was telling you before. Okay? So your next step will be to click on the learn more button or scroll down somewhere in this page. You will find the place to put your name, to register with your name and email, and then you're going to a next page. Your next page is a thank you page, and now that's when you will discover the video webinar. This webinar saved my life. You're gonna save yours too if you want to. Okay, so watch the webinar. It's a 90 minutes webinar. After watching the webinar, I think in the webinar they will tell you what to do too. But when you finish to watch the webinar, you can scroll down. When you see the join now button, that's when you're going to see the place to put the membership fee. Yes, there is a membership fee. Every online business has a membership fee. But the difference here, we don't have to pay that every year. This is a one-time payment, and you have 30 days to take your money back guarantee. And if you don't want to continue with the program, but after you finish to join us in the inside, I'm going to welcome you and to the community. We have the largest and the biggest online business community worldwide. Okay, is over right now. We have over 216,000 distributor business owner. Okay, on this community. I'm going to welcome you right after you join us, and you should always in the community, and please check your email. Like 4 to 5 minutes later, you should receive an email from customer service. You're not going to see my name on that email. You're going to look for the email from your inbox from customer service, and now please follow the instruction. They will send you my Facebook profile link, so you can click on it to send me a friend request, and then so I know who you are before I add you to the community. Also, you will find another link with videos that will send you a password to watch the pre-coaching videos, because as your coach, I will be your coach, and I will be the one to guide you, to show you all the strategy, to show you how going the compensation plan, everything. And we watch the videos, and then write down all your questions for me, because after that you're going to come back to the same email from customer service, which there is the third link, the last link now, to book your call with me. This is my schedule, and then you will click on it to book your call with me. Okay, and after you finish to book your call with me, and on that day you choose to do your coaching call with me, I will send you link, a Zoom link, because you'll be on Zoom, so I will share my screen with you. We're going to talk more about it. The first thing to do is to join me in the inside. Watch the webinar, join me in the inside, and then let's the journey begin. Guys, you're going to be happy. You're going to be happy. One day you will thank me, and you will thank yourself for changing your life and your family's life. Time freedom, guys. You will be your own boss. I'm going to guide you to the system. This system is changing life all over the world. Welcome in this inside, and welcome to your new future. Coach Mirani.